Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm going to be bringing you another review, and this is going to be an interesting one. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. So today I'm bringing to you guys another review. I'm going to be doing a review and a swatch of the Ioni makeup that I found at Dollar Tree, and it was $1.25. So I'm going to show you what I got. It's not a lot, but I got 2 lip pencils and I got 2 eyeliners. Not sponsored. I bought this with my money, but I just thought it was cool finding this stuff at Dollar Tree. I mean, it's Ioni. So I'm going to show you what I got. I got this eyeliner pencil, and it's waterproof, smooth, glide, paraben free, Ioni, England, Windsor Stone. It's from Thailand collection. I don't know why it has a Thailand. I don't know if it's a collection from that. And then of course Bon Voyage eyeliner, and this is Mars green. And it's kind of like a cute green. Then we have 2 lip pencils. I got the Bahamas collection, I think it is. I don't know. I keep saying collection. I really don't know. This is Mombasa Spice. Then the other one is Hollywood, and it looks like this, and it's called a Napa Wine. So it's all these 4 that I'm going to try on for you guys today. Let's get started by swatching. I'm going to go ahead and open the eyeliners first. I'm going to open England. Oh! It's a pencil. Eyeliner pencil. Why didn't that click until right now? I thought it was one of those that you kind of like screw up. Kind of like a lipstick. I don't know. Like that. Nope, it broke. It broke really quick and I didn't even put pressure on it. Let's try the Thailand one, the Mars green. It broke again, and I'm not putting pressure on them. They're just like breaking there. So those were the 2 eyeliners. I'm going to go ahead and get my Napa Wine lip pencil. Ow. I don't know why I thought it was one of those like screwy kind of eyeliner or slip pencils, but it's just an actual pencil. So this one's a lip pencil. Okay, this one held up a little bit more and it didn't break. Now I'm going to be opening the Mombasa Spice. So now I'm going to try and use 1 and 1 in each eye, 1 and 1 in like half of the lips, just to show you guys. So off camera, I went ahead and I put on a little bit of my eyebrows, and I also did a little bit of eyeshadow, kind of like muted. So I want to focus again on the product, in this case the eyeliners and the lip pencils. So that's why I kind of wanted to keep it kind of toned down. With that said, let's get started with that. As I said, I'm going to be using 1 eyeliner pencil in 1 eye, and I'm going to be using the Mars green in my left eye. They have kind of like a squeaky noise. I don't know if you guys can. Just found that funny. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and use Windsor Stone on my other eye. go ahead and go in with the lip liners. Half of my lip is going to be in the Napa Wine. This one doesn't have that little kind of popping sound. This one's more smooth. Okay guys, this is the final look, the final product. What do you guys think? So half a face. So now I'm going to see if this lip pencil stays on or if it rubs off. I'm going to... Oh yeah, it comes off. Definitely comes off. Now, these... definitely rubs off. Final thoughts. So, I like the packaging. The packaging is very cute. I like how the colors look in the actual pencils. They're kind of shimmery in a way. Slick. I don't know why the eyeliner pencils have this little kind of like squeaky sound, but the lip pencils don't. I don't know. A thing that I didn't really like about the eyeliner pencils is that it's very sensitive, very fragile. It breaks really quick. Like, it feels creamy, super creamy, and it just starts breaking, dissolving. I don't know what it is, but I didn't like that about the eyeliners. I like the colors and I like how it looks, but I don't know, something about it kind of like breaking immediately, not even putting pressure or whatnot, and then kind of like leaving like this chunky thing, residue. I don't really like that. But again, I like the color. The lip pencils, I like the colors. And I also like that these are a little bit more sturdy. This is what I was looking for in the eyeliners. I actually would have liked for the eyeliner pencil to be like the lip pencil, that it doesn't break easy and that applies like super smooth without it leaving those chunky pieces behind, as you can see here, and I have a little here. Other than that, I really like the colors. Would I buy it again? Yes. Would I buy more? Yes. I really like Ioni products, and I like that they're vegan and cruelty free. Again, not sponsored. For these being $1.25, I would definitely buy them again. The colors are amazing. They apply good. Final rating, guys. I'm going to divide these into my rating for the lip pencils and for the eyeliner pencils. Let's go ahead and do the eyeliner pencil. Out of 10 for the eyeliner pencils, I would give it a 5. 5 out of 10. For the lip pencils, out of 10, I would give it a 10. Again, this is just on what I think, my experience of it, trying it out, swatching it, seeing how they work on me. That's my final ratings for both of them. And of course, like I said, if you have that money and if you can find them in your local Dollar Tree, go ahead and use them. And I hope that they work as well as they worked for me, apart from like the big chunks that I have in my eyes. But I really like the colors, and like I said, I will use these again. I really like them, and if I find more, I will definitely buy some more. So this is it for my review, my swatching, my putting it on, trying it on, and I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a like. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. And I really hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye, guys.